Hi, this is Danny from Tobia Homes. Welcome to 94 Meighen Avenue in the family-friendly neighborhood of O'Connor, Parkview in East York. These are the top 3 things I love about this house. I love its generous lot size. I can picture kids playing in the front lawn. Well, wait till you see the backyard. This peaceful backyard is perfect for many things, whether it's enjoying some activities with your kids or hosting a lively family barbecue. The other thing that gets me super excited about this house is that it's move-in ready, including the basement, which you can use as a nanny suite or generate some potential income. Combining comfort, convenience, and plenty of space for modern family living.